Composting. People always say that it's great for the planet and we should all be doing it, but why exactly? One of the big problems with farming these days is the overuse of fertilizer, which is made using phosphorus and nitrogen. When these chemicals are sprayed all over crops, some of them run off into nearby streams and other bodies of water, which can have serious repercussions for the ecosystems therein. When phosphorus and nitrogen run into the water, they promote the growth of algae, which can take away oxygen from fish and other aquatic life. Another serious environmental issue stems from human waste. As we consume more and throw out more, landfills run out of room and we don't have a place to safely dispose of our garbage. Composting is the process of allowing certain types of waste to break down through more natural processes. One of the fastest ways of doing this is by using worms. Worms eat pretty much anything and then poop out what are called castings, a naturally fertile soil that can be just as effective for plant growth as those chemical fertilizers. The best thing about worms, they don't smell, are very low maintenance, and require so little space to live that you can compost using worms right in your dorm room. Here's what you need. First of all, grab 2 buckets from Walmart, the kind that can easily stack. You'll also need 1 lid. To build your worm habitat, drill holes in the lid and the bottom of one of the 2 buckets. The holes in the top can be widely spaced apart and very small, because those are just to let in air. The holes in the bottom should be larger and closer together. These are drainage holes to let moisture leave the system. Fill your habitat with compostable material, keeping a solid base of soil and dead leaves. The general idea for a worm habitat is to have an equal 1-to-1 ratio of green to brown, leaves to soil. Place moist paper towels over the top of the soil to try and retain some of the moisture. From here on out, you can add any and all compostable materials to the bucket instead of throwing them in the trash, and your worms will take care of the rest. If the worms start climbing the sides of the bucket, don't worry, they won't escape. It means that there's something wrong with the makeup of their soil. Try adjusting the amount of moisture or the ratio of brown to green materials, or add more air holes. Help save the planet, 1 worm bucket at a time.